What do we have here? This is the SPY, which is the S&P 500. Yesterday, we had a big breakdown on the S&P 500. So if we take a look very closely here, we have this kind of wedge pattern, which again goes even further back than here, but at least right here, you can see it right through this pivot. 2 days ago, we pierced it and bounced. Yesterday, we closed below. Today, we're trading even lower. If I flip to our intraday chart here, and I'm going to do that right now, if we flip to the 10-minute chart, look at the sell-off that we're seeing. This is where we closed yesterday right here. Look at this downside move. We're trading at 435 basically on the SPY. Flipping back to the daily chart, where's 435? And this is interesting because this gets me interested as a day trader. All right, as a trader, a short-term trader, I start to get intrigued because what do we know? We have this pivot here. We have this pivot here. A trend line connects them. And where is this line? Right around 434 to 435. So this is going to be a big test. And right now, if the market's open, we open just above this technical support level. So again, I'm watching closely. Now, if you're an investor, you're watching this level closely as well. Why? Can anyone tell me why? I know a lot of you can because you guys follow the methodology. You understand the technicals. First of all, we have this shoulder, head, shoulder. All right, this is the neckline of the head and shoulder. If we close below this, this head and shoulder triggers, which sends the market potentially down equal distance from here to here, equal distance from here down to here. You're basically going to 400 on the SPY. That is a big time fall, folks. Again, amazing fall. In addition, as if that's not a big enough level and why this level is everything. If you're an investor, if you're a trader, this is everything. Because as of now, and I'm going to erase the lines on here so we keep it as clean as possible, because again, there's so much I'm having you guys absorb here. Basically, what we have here, right? We have a low, higher low, and even right here, this right here was a flat bottom, so it wasn't a lower low. If we take out this line today, in fact, this was a little higher, then we have a lower low. Okay, so you've already got lower highs. If this breaks, you now have lower lows. And again, ultimately, what are we doing here with charts? Why are we using these charts? Because they tell us probabilities. As I'm listing out the head and shoulder pattern, as I'm listing out lower highs, as I'm listing out potentially lower lows, what it's doing is it's stacking the deck to favor the bears. And again, it has nothing to do about what I want. It doesn't matter. What I want is totally irrelevant. What you want is irrelevant. The market's going to do what it does. The only chance we have is to look at the charts and let them guide us. That's it. That's all we have to do here. So again, this level, 434 to 435 today, is pivotal for this market to hold. Okay.